And now we are going to discuss about the structure of a chromosome in the page number of 265 in that heredity lesson. Okay, what we have seen in the last video, we have seen a introduction about the chromosome, right? And now in this video we are going to discuss about the detailed explanation of structure of a chromosome. The first thing, a structure of chromosome, how they are formed. This is a basic structure of chromosome, right? See what ma? A basic structure of a chromosome. A chromosome or a thin. Chromosome are first one. They are a thin, long and thread-like structure. Okay, thin, long and thread-like structure. Just see here, thin, long and thread-like structures of a chromosome. They are contained at two identical sister chromatids. Okay ma. Here they are contained at two strand. No, for that reason they are given a name for that two identical sister chromatids. Apo this is one chromatide. This is another chromatide. This is what? Chromatide. Just write it. Label to this. Here, two identical sister chromatide, they are held together in the center. Both sister chromatide are held together in the center is called centromere. What is the name for this? Centromere. Okay, centromere. Chromatide வந்து center partல attached ஆயிருக்கும். Both chromatide are attached in the center part. The name is a centromere. Okay, and here each chromatide, they are made up of, each chromatide is made up of a spirally coiled. Each chromatide is made up of spirally coiled thin thread-like structure. What is this? We already said no. Thin thread-like structure is a name as a what? A thin thread-like structure is spirally coiled name as a DNA. Okay va? Here that is a DNA thread-like structures compressed ஆயிருக்கும். The thin thread-like structures in the chromosome is called chromonema. What is the name for this thread-like structure is? Chromonema. Okay va? Spirally coiled இருக்குமா, that is a DNA. Actually DNA தான் அது. Okay va? In the chromosomal part they are in a spirally coiled like structure. A name is a chromonema. Here each chromonema, they are made up of bead like structures along to that. Bead மாதிரி இருக்கும், மணி மணியா இருக்குமா, சரியா? That body part. Just like this. Here also same. A bead like structure. The name is chromomeres. What is a bead like structure name is? Chromomeres. Chromomeres in சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, and here a chromosome are made up of, in this chromosome are made up of two things, majorly two things. First one is the DNA and next one is the RNA. Here a DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. RNA is ribonucleic acid. Okay, DNA is a what? Deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA is a ribonucleic acid. That is the protein molecules of both histone and non-histone. That is a protein presence and protein absence. Okay, not only that, certain metabolic ions also they are present in this chromosome, and here this proteins are provide the structure to the chromosome. Okay, when the proteins are enna பண்ணுது? Structural support to the chromosome. Okay, this is an overview about the structure of chromosome. Just have to recall once again what is a structure of chromosome. First thing, here there is a thin, long and thread-like structure. Thin, long and thread-like structure of chromosome. Here they are having a two pairs of sister chromatide. Yeah, sister chromatide irukka solranga, they are just presented near to that, so that they are given a name of a sister chromatide. This is one chromatide and this is the another chromatide. Both of them were called as a chromosome. Okay, and each chromatide they are attached to the center. Each chromatide are attached to the center part is named as a centromere. Okay, and here a chromatide they are made up of spirally coiled thin thread-like structure. A name is chromonema. What is the name for that? A thread-like structure's name chromonema. Here a chromonema bead like structures la mani maniya irukum. The name is chromomeres. What is the name for that? Chromomeres. And the bead உடைய name தான் என்னது? Chromomeres. And the thread உடைய name chromonema. Okay, and first thing DNA, that is chromosome made up of DNA, we know that. And not only the DNA, in RNA, that is a ribonucleic acid, so protein molecules இருக்கும். Okay, and metabolic ions இருக்கும். The protein molecules என்ன பண்றாங்க? Just they are provide a structural support to the chromosome. Okay, so that's it for an first overview about the structure of a chromosome. And we know the next one, a chromosome containing the regions of chromosome. Okay, என்னென்ன regions of chromosome இருக்கு? Not only this is the structure, they are having another structures also, that is the regions of chromosome. Just write a topic for that, the regions of chromosome. Okay, ma. First thing, they are contain a 4 region. First one is the primary construction. What is the first one? Primary construction. Just write a topic. Here the first point in the region of a chromosome is a primary construction. Okay, what is the first one? Primary construction. Just draw a diagram of a chromosome. Know that this is the structure of a chromosome, right? First thing, primary construction. Constructions nala ennaduna, just imagine this is the cell. When they go for a cell division, what will be happen na? In that cell wall is there, no? They are making a halls like structures. Okay, here they are having a folded, right? In that folded part, they are given a name of construction. Same like that here also. Here a primary construction in the chromosome. Each arm or attached to the center point is called as the primary construction. This is a part is there, no? Called as a primary construction. We already written a name also, that is the centromere, or primary construction or centromere. Okay, and here a centromere is a region where a spindle fiber are meet at the time of cell division, they are said. Put us in a point to that. Here this is cell. Here they are contain a chromosome. At the time of cell division, what will be happen? This is the chromosome. At the time of cell division, they are forming a spindle fibers, right? This is the spindle fibers. At the time of cell division, spindle fiber are attached to the center of the chromosome. Centromere attached பண்ணி just they are divide to that. Divide பண்ணும். இந்த arm opposite direction divide பண்ணுமா? That only they are said about at the time of cell division, a spindle fiber attached at the centromere, in that a separate, making a separate pair to that. Okay ma? So that's it for a primary construction. Just an easy one. Primary construction another, two arms are meet at the center point is known as the primary construction or centromere. At the time of cell division, a spindle fiber are attached at the center point is the cell division period la attached at the center point to repeal the opposite side. Okay, so that's it for a primary construction. I hope you have to understand to the primary construction. Let me move on. Next one, secondary construction. Yes, here the next region of a chromosome is a secondary construction. Here, this is your chromosome structure. First thing, we already say that primary construction, that is the centromere. Okay, ma, this is one arm, this is the another arm. Here, some of the time, some chromosome, they are process of a secondary construction. Here, see this. This is a secondary construction, and this one also a secondary construction. This is a what? A secondary construction. And here also secondary construction. This is a primary construction or centromere we said. Okay, each arm are attached to the center part, that is the centromere, and some of the chromatide part they are forming of a secondary construction at any point. Okay, for that reason they are given a name for this, that is the nuclear zone. இன்னொரு நேம் கொடுக்குறாங்க. what is the name? Nuclear zone or nucleolar organizer. what is the name they are given? Nuclear zone or nucleolar organizer. Okay, when they are formed at the time of a cell division period la mattum they are forming of a secondary construction, majorly the interphase stages irukku illaya, at the time they are forming of a nuclear organizer, adu secondary constructions form agum. Okay, so that's it for a secondary construction. And third region of a chromosome is telomeres. What is the third one? Telomere. Just write the topic. Third one is telomere. Here a telomere, which means where it is present na, we already say that in a definition part itself. Here a telomeres are usually present at the end of an chromosome. Here same like that, here also this is the what? Telomere. Here a telomere are present at the end of the chromosome. It is the each extremity of the chromosome. The work in extremity of the chromosome, not only that, a stability, to maintain a stability of the chromosome stability extreme ஆகாம compress பண்றதுக்கு just they are helpful to that. Not only that, telomeres are also known as a aging clock in every cell. They may ask in a 1 marks which is known as a aging cell, or which chromosome region is known as a aging cells na, just write a telomeres. Aging clock nu சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, at the time of a cell division மட்டும் தான் they act in that telomeres in chromosome. Okay, so that's it for a telomeres. And next one, a last region of a chromosome is satellite chromosome. Fourth region is satellite. Just have to see here this one. This is a last part of a chromosome, right? Here they are formed as a knob like structures. Knob na enna ma திருகி சொல்லுவாங்களே, கான் திருகின்னு சொல்லுவாங்களே, same like that. Here a knob like a structure of chromosome are formed in that at end point la form ஆகும். Okay, appendages na என்னது? Large intestine la at the end part they are forming a appendages. Okay, appendages irukkum illaya, same like that. Here a knob like appendages at the end of a chromosome, so also known as a satellite chromosome or sat chromosome. Okay, adha nam edhu definition la sonnoma, sat chromosome or satellite chromosome. So that's it for a region of chromosome. I hope you have to understand whether what is a region of chromosome. Just have to recall it once again. First one is a primary construction. Here a primary construction, which means they are each arm, that is each chromatide are attached in the center point, is known as the centromere. Okay, the spindle fiber attached to the center point at the time of cell division. This is the primary construction. And next one is the secondary construction. Here a secondary construction, they are formed at the any region of a chromatide part. Okay, chromatide part la any region la form ஆகும், at the majorly in that cell division அப்பதான் form ஆகும் in the interphase, so that they are also given a name of a nuclear organizer. Okay, and next one is the telomere. Here a telomere, they are formed at the end of a chromosome. Here the telomeres is also known as a aging clock of a cell. Not only that, telomeres or a major function என்னது, they are maintain a stability of a chromosome. Stability maintain பண்றதுக்கும் adjacent of the chromosome, joining adjacent ஆகும், just they are acted to that. And last one is the satellite. Here at the end of a chromatide, they are forming a knob-like swelling, knob-like structure. Okay, appendages மாதிரி இருக்கும். Okay, knob-like structures இருக்கும். The name is satellite chromosome. Okay, so that's it for regions of chromosome. We are complete the structure of chromosome. So we are complete the today topics also. I hope you have to understand to that. Just copy this all the things in your observation note. I given a homework. Just write your self test also and copy that homework in your class note. Okay, student. Thank you. We will see the remaining topic for our next class. Thank you.